Hey dude, you going with me or what? You better not. You better stay here at the house. This is Kev, old Kevin, the new farm cat. Him and Karen are best buds, despite what you may see on the internet. You better not try to ride this boat. Hey, what's up guys? That was the art that we're fixing to hang on this 8-inch entryway. If you haven't seen the previous videos, we'll put a link in the description so you can go check out this whole project. I believe there's about 6 videos before this one to get us to this point. Everything's all welded out. Now all we gotta do is hang the Bigfoot and bear art. And the gates, still gotta build the gates. It's gonna go right here in between these two horizontals. I've got my ladder that I'm gonna be using. First thing I'm gonna do is find center of the art, carry the art up the ladder, put it in place, tack it, get down, take a look, see, and then I've got some extra trees, make sure it looks good. And I've got about 4 extra trees I'm gonna put staggered along there to make it look kind of 3D dimensional. Bigfoot chasing a bear. And we've got some extra trees to put up along there. Yeah, buddy. This is cool. It's the best view right up here. All right, so what I've done so far is I pulled a measurement from there to over here, 7 foot. Because I'm by myself, I don't have no help. Pulled the measurement from 7 foot from that side and 7 foot from this side. And then what I ended up with was this 5 and some odd number gap between my 2 marks. And then I just found the center of those 2 marks. I brought my center finder up here and I found center, put my little mark that way. I found the exact center of this pipe because that art's gonna stand up right here. And I made another mark right here. Now I'm gonna bring my 4-foot level up here and connect those lines. That way I have a reference point for that art when I get it up here. This center mark here we will use again. We will be working off of centers, so we know the center of our entrance is right here. And then we're also going to find the center of the piece of art down there and put a mark on it. And then just line those 2 marks up. And then we will know our art will be centered. And then I'll put a torpedo level on it up here to make sure it's level this way. My advice for this week, if you're driving an old truck, say pre-2000s, and it's nighttime, don't forget to turn on the lights. Thank you all for coming along with me today. No matter what you're doing, just make sure you're having fun doing it. And of course, learning something along the way. Learn something every day. We'll see you next week.